We wanted to ask about one of the headlines we've been covering today, which is those weather sirens that went off by mistake overnight in DuPage County. Here is the public safety team issuing an apology, saying in part, a staff member accidentally activated the sirens around 3 this morning while conducting a planned system test. That test was supposed to check the technology without sounding the sirens. DuCom, that's the name of the agency, says those sirens were shut off as soon as they realized what happened, but probably not before waking up some of our friends in DuPage County. But how does this technology work in general? You have a sense of it?
Right. This raised a lot of questions within our newsroom, too, about what's automated and what still requires human intervention this day and age. Here's how it goes. The outdoor sirens across the Chicagoland area, the National Weather Service issues warnings. Then it's up to each city and municipality to decide what to do with that information and whether or not to trigger the warnings. There is technology that's available for full automation. When a warning is issued for your area, that can trigger an alert, but it's really city and municipality dependent. Some still in our area obviously still have a human involved and still have manual activation of those tornado sirens. If you hear sirens, we think the wisest thing is to go indoors and seek more information. Turn us on CBS News Chicago. Check your weather radio, which is another great way to receive weather warnings. Chances are, if the tornado sirens are going off, but we're not on TV talking about a tornado, and your weather radio isn't sounding an alarm, it might be a false alarm like we had last night. Marie?
Right, that is the key. All right, David, thank you for that explainer. Sure. We appreciate it. See you in a bit.